from Japan. Today I enjoy Japanese chicken curry with my original curry roux. Please watch this video to learn how to make Japanese curry roux. Okay, let's enjoy cooking!
First, cut the ingredients. Cut it in half and cut off the core. Don't throw it away. The onion core has a lot of nutrients. Cut them into small pieces and use to curry. Cut the onion into 10 mm wide pieces. Next, make some small cut in the chicken wings. Make cut on both sides of the bone. Turn on the heat. Heat up plenty of oil. Add onion. Fry them. When the onion is cooked, add the chicken wings. Fry them. When the chicken wings are lightly cooked, add a little of salt and red pepper. Mix them well. Add 500 ml of water. Add 500 ml of tomato juice. Boil them. When the soup boils, remove the lye. Add a curry roux. Mix them well and dissolve the roux in the soup. Once the roux has dissolved into the soup, the Japanese-style chicken curry is completed. Arrange the chicken curry on the rice. Japanese chicken curry has been completed. Today, I use my original curry roux, but you can also use store-bought curry roux. Adding tomato juice makes the curry fruity and very delicious. The combination of chicken, curry, and tomato is very good. Please make the Japanese curry roux and enjoy the chicken curry.
Thank you for your viewing. How was Japanese chicken curry? Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please try it.